Hi guys, it's JolliBOTS Andre, and today is the second 2022 video on my channel. If you want to see my last video, just take a look at my channel. That has a lot of views already. Here we have JolliBOTS. It's the Jollibee toys for 2022 for February until May 15th, I think. I complete this set like a cheetah, super fast, because I mean these are easy. These are easier than McDo, I have to say. So yeah, these are JolliBOTS, and pretty much like the name says, they're Jollibee characters, you know. Popo, Twirly, Jollibee, Hetty, and Mr. Young here. They are going to transform from the, like these, like food, like chicken, burger, I guess, ice cream, and then they turn into the characters. Now, I have no idea how this is going to work, but it's okay. Let's get started. Let's start with, of course, Jollibee over here. And by the way, there is no box. I do have the box, but it's like packed so in bulletproof gears. And these do come with stickers, and holy shrimp, look how big those stickers are. So we now applied all the stickers, and yeah, that's what it looks like. It's look really cute. Yeah. Now these remind me of a McDonald's toy that came out in like the 90s. It kind of looks like them. So let's try this out here. So yeah, here you go. Transform this. See you. Alright, so these are hand, I guess. Next, let's go with Hetty Spaghetti. Who's the spaghetti? I don't know why they didn't make a spaghetti mascot in McDonald's. I don't know why they didn't do that, because there is spaghetti in McDonald's, by the way. Yeah. So I don't know why they didn't make a mascot for that, but it's alright. I mean, it is what it is, I guess. It's what all franchises. Oh my goodness, it's more stickers. Oh, but that would be cool. Like an ice cream McFlurry, what is it called? McFlurry mascot in McDonald's. That would be so popular for kids. I think kids will like that more than, let's say, the older characters. Ronald McDonald, Grimace, Birdie, Hamburglar, Mayor McCheese. You guys might have no idea what I'm talking about, but if you are a kid that grew up in the 90s, you should know those jokes. Hetty Spaghetti. Wow. That was more impossible than Jollibee right there. Wow, that was impossible. So, yeah. There you go. They don't really come out, like I said. So yeah, let's put this back. And let's go with one without stickers. I don't know. Anyway, don't have stickers. Let's go with Popo, the French fries. I don't think he has stickers, so this will be easier. These are easier to open than McDonald's toys. These are way easier. And they're even easier than previous Jollibee toys. Alright, stickers. Yep, stickers. So that was easier applying the stickers because that's probably smaller than, let's say, the Hetty over here. Jollibee. My favorite definitely is Young in this set. So my favorite, of course, characters, Jollibee and Popo. Those are two kids. But all of them are nice, but I think the most wasted potential. So there you go. Popo's inside a Jolly Fries, I guess. Let me see here. So you got arms. You got hair. Yeah, this is hair. So basically, Popo's hair is French fries, so that's why that's kind of weird. They also didn't do a French fries mascot in McDo. It's Jollibee. It's Jollibee. But whatever. This is already open. Not really open. I didn't open any of these officially, but this one has a dent on the on there, so You just have to pull and then it opens so immediately opens so easy. Alright. Stickers. Stickers? Nope, no stickers because this guy's so big. So it's a burger. Now actually this is probably my favorite food in Jollibee because I ate burger when I was in my dentist day when I bought the Tokyo 2020, guys. You should know that because I explained it more in that video. So I'll leave that also. I think that's like my 4th name. Oh, that is cool. So I can show now. So there's Yum. There's not there. So there's his arms. Last toy is Orally, the ice cream. This is probably Ate and mine favorite because this sticker is just cute and beautiful. It's a chocolate ice cream sticker. So we'll open this up. See how easy these open? This is probably the hardest one yet. Oh. Alright. Don't worry guys, we're going to bust this open. Don't worry, no. I'll go to this side. Man, this is not shredding good. This is yucky. Oh my goodness. I am tearing up the entire bag. So we only have one choice left. This portion. Alright, 1, 2. Alright, no. Only 2 hands. Right there. 1, 2, 3. Go. Let's go. Alright. I'll show you now how this thing comes. Opo, stand up, bro. There you go.
She fell.
Oh, it does. Come here. Alright, so this does officially come off. Look at that. So yeah. Maybe this is just an air, but probably not. But this is really small. You know? So yeah. We're watching the second official 2022 review or video vlog, whatever, in my channel. And thank you guys for 1,620 subscribers. So yeah, really nice. Let's keep going and hopefully we can get to 2,000 and we'll do officially a 2,000 subscriber special. Thank you to my parents and Ate for getting the full set like so fast, like a cheetah catching a leopard. So yeah. And my whole family, and my friends, and my teachers, you guys have getting, I really hope that you and your family are protected, and God bless you all, and protect you guys from the COVID-19 and all that stuff on Jollibee video. And from now on, I'm going to give them like a grade, like A to D or C. A plus, B plus, or C plus. I give this one B plus. B plus because some of them are like a little hard to transform, like that one. But yeah, Alexa, tell us a joke.
What do you call an ugly sweater on the world's cutest dog? Ugly.
Alright guys, I hope you get that. This is just my guess guys, this is not real, but see you on February 18th. That's my guess for the next McDonald's toy, so I'll see you there. Bye now!